Hello everyone, welcome back with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I'll show you how you can fix if the flashlight is not working on your iPhone device after updating your iPhone device to the latest version iOS 18. So if you have updated your iPhone device to the latest version iOS 18 and all the flashlight is not working, then here in this video, I'll show you how you can easily fix this problem and how you can enable the flashlight on your iPhone device after updating it to the latest version iOS 18. So now let's get started. First of all, you will have to simply just force restart your iPhone device by tapping on the volume up button, then volume down, then press the power button until Apple logo appears. Because simply restart your iPhone device can solve many problems on your iPhone or iPad device. After that, check that the problem fixed or not. So if you're having still this problem, then here move to the next section. Again, open setting on your iPhone device, then scroll down, then tap on general. Then after that, here you need tap on software update, and first of all here you will have to make sure that you are using an updated version of iOS. If you're not using an updated version of iOS, then here you will have to update your iPhone device to the latest version iOS 18.1. So after that, check that the problem fixed or not. So if you're having still this problem, then here you will have to open control center on your iPhone or iPad device, and from here you will have to remove flashlight from your iPhone device. Remove this from your control center. Then here you need tap on add control center. Then here you'll have to enable it again, and here you'll have to turn on the flashlight and check that the problem fixed or not. So if you're having still this problem, then here you will have to open again settings, then scroll down, then here you will have to tap on screen time. Then here you need to scroll down and tap on content and browse restrictions. Then here you'll have to enable this toggle. Then after that, make sure that all these options should be allowed from here. So after that, check that the problem fixed or not. So if you're having still this problem, then here you will have to turn on this toggle again. Then here you'll have to go back, then again open setting on your iPhone or iPad device, then scroll down, then here again tap on screen time. Then here you'll have to scroll down, and here you'll have to tap on lock screen time, and here you'll have to disable the lock screen time passcode if you have enabled this. Then after that, go back and check that the problem fixed or not. So if you're having still this problem, then here you need to again open setting, then tap on general, then here scroll down here, then tap on transfer or reset iPhone, then tap on reset, then tap on reset all settings. So after that, hopefully your problem will be fixed and you will be able to use flashlight on your iPhone device after updating it to the latest version iOS 18. So that's it from this video. Hopefully you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get my all upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video.